Good afternoon. We're looking at clear skies, though it does look a little gray or hazy on the horizon. There is lots of sunshine out there. If you look up, you'll see more blue sky. It's closer to the horizon where you'll notice that wildfire smoke haze that's moved into the valley. So this is going to have some impacts on your sunrise and sunsets. Also might impact the air quality a little bit. I just checked the report and it's listed as moderate. So those of you who are sensitive definitely want to, over the next couple of days, pay attention to those reports coming in. So here's what's happening. We've got the black and white version of our satellite turned on so we can see that wildfire smoke a little bit better. But there are fires here in Alberta, here's Edmonton, that are really raging in the northern part of the province. And the jet stream is carrying that smoke. It's underneath some clouds here too, but carrying that smoke all the way down toward the Red River Valley. So it's going to, as long as the jet stream is doing what it's doing and those wildfires continue to rage, we're going to have to deal with this until the pattern shifts a little bit here coming up in the forecast. So some smoky skies in the areas. Not too bad right now, though, at least. And we've otherwise got some clear conditions, some good weather here in the valley, aside from a couple of our counties down in the far south. Grant, down into Traverse in Minnesota, and back into South Dakota, where once again we're on the northern end of a system that's bringing in a little bit of cloud cover there. Our temperatures, as a result of lots of sun, are into the 70s. We're at 76 in Fargo, 74 in Grand Forks, and many of us on our way up to the 80s. Minot is at 82 right now at the noon hour. Expanding the view, you can see where that rain is, where this system is churning right now, right over Sioux Falls essentially. And it's another day where we've got severe weather across the country. Parts of the plains, back up into the Midwest and east, some severe thunderstorm watches, tornado watches, warnings in effect here this afternoon as well. And you could see where the threat is. Basically the Ohio River Valley back east toward New York and then all the way down toward Texas here, where we're expecting the severe weather today. So here in the valley, we're north of that. We're looking at quiet weather. Temperatures this afternoon getting into the low 80s. Our evening plans are going to be great for those of you who want to spend it outside. We're looking at some 60s to low 70s, even around 9 o'clock with some lighter wind today too. There's a couple of gusts, but mostly we're just looking at wind speeds up to about 15 miles per hour. Overnight, those temperatures dip down into the 50s to start off the day tomorrow. And then we'll end up with some sunshine and temperatures back into that 70-degree range, maybe even hitting 80 by this time tomorrow by the noon hour. So we're really watching those temperatures soar. And as we head into the afternoon, you could see we're looking at some mid-80s for many of us in eastern North Dakota. Over into Minnesota, a good shot at getting to 80 degrees as well. So tomorrow's going to be even hotter than today with a few clouds developing, but overall we're looking at another mostly sunny day for your Thursday. A look at your 7-day planner. I think Friday most of the day will be okay. We'll see temperatures back into the 70s to some low 80s, but we do have a chance for some rain and thunder, especially Friday night and into Saturday. Right now this doesn't look all that organized, but the potential's there for getting some rain. And then once that clears, we're looking at some cooler air taking over. Temperatures into the low 70s for your highs for the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. And that temperature range continues as we head into next week. But a few days here where we're looking at some toasty temperatures in the valley.
I'm loving every second of this.
I'm not complaining either.
Yeah, I'm here for it. Thank you, Lisa.